Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to not add numbers to your keyboard on your Motorola Moto G51 5G. As you can see, if I start writing, I don't have numbers up here. I can show you how to change that. It's really simple. You go to your settings, scroll down to the bottom of the site like so, System, Languages and Input, then on-screen keyboard, Gboard, Preferences, Number row, and just enable it like this. Now, when you go to your messages, you can see numbers up here. That's it for this video. Hope you liked it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, liking and commenting our videos.